Hello, my name is Yulia and I'm recently moved to Dubai from London. I lived in London for 7 years and I decided to move to Dubai for work opportunities. I work as a broker now, but I finished filmmaking university in London, so I decided to explore my career more here because I think Dubai is still developing even now, so I decided to proceed my career here. Moving to Dubai was quite a challenge for me because I didn't know anyone. So I was looking for a place to stay here. And I've heard that the time I moved here, it was quite season. It was a season in Dubai, so everybody was coming here, renting. It was quite hard to find because many websites just show you many places where you can stay, but they're not exactly free. So I asked my friend who I met here recently. She recommended me a website called Colife. It was really easy to communicate with them, and they actually have a few good places for me to stay. So yeah, and very fair prices. The moving in part was quite easy because I chose a few apartments to view, and the first apartment that I actually saw, I actually like, and I chose it immediately. So I asked when I could move in, and they told me that I can move in anytime, like even now. I was quite shocked because I never saw it anywhere before, but I assume that's how it works here in Dubai and with Colife as well. Yeah, the process of signing the contract, viewing was quite easy and simple, and I really liked it. Originally, I'm from Russia, Far East. That's the city where I was born in. But after I finished middle school, I decided to go to New Zealand. What I like about New Zealand is their nature and the community they have there. Everybody is super kind and friendly, and it was such a joy to live there, to be honest. But however, I think in terms of education, I wanted something more creative, and I wanted to meet more people in different countries, so I decided to move to UK. I moved to UK when I was 14 or 15, I'm not sure at that point. So, and I went to boarding school, which was quite fun but strict. The boarding schools in the United Kingdom is very strict. It's especially private ones. So we didn't have our phones. We didn't have much free time, only like 30 minutes per day. So we basically just studied whatever we were studying. So I finished my exams pretty well, and also that time I think it was the COVID times. So I had to move back to Russia for quite a while, like I think it was for like 3 months. And then I decided to proceed my education in UK. So I went to Croydon. It's a very dangerous place in UK. But I found out about it when I was in university. So when I was studying, I didn't know that Croydon was a dangerous place. So yeah, I was studying there for my A-levels. I did business, media studies, and Russian language, but I also did drama. The media studies was my favorite subject because it really helped me with my English, because we were writing a lot of essays about films, and we were learning some history in that as well, like in terms of cinema. And also we were practicing some filming skills as well. So I would say that I decided to go to filmmaking just because I did media studies, and I think it also were my teachers who pursued me to do that, because my teachers saw the potential, and I assume they just said, oh, you must go there, like you must study film. So that's what I decided eventually. In the end of my studies, my music video was the best music video of all years, and I'm really proud of it. I was ahead of class, and I helped my teachers in preparing films and any music videos that they need to be prepared, basically. After school, I decided to pursue my career in filmmaking, and I wanted to be a producer. So I went to filmmaking school, which is London Film Academy. I studied there for 2 years, and I did 3 beautiful films. The film that I'm most proud of is my last film, which name is The Day of Cucù Batacci. We have an Italian director, and she wrote the script based on her true story. That is, I still don't understand what this story is about, but it was quite cool. It's about a vegan man. He was a vegan, and this is important because he dated a woman who was a vegan and pursued him to be vegan as well. So and they were dating, and one day he decides to go shopping in a supermarket, and he was looking for some stuff that she asked him for. And then after quite a thought, he realized that she was cheating on him. And it's quite a confusing story, but I think it's more about creativity and visuals in this film. So yeah, it was quite fun to watch how the actor was, thinking, and like how he concluded that his wife was cheating on him. But anyways, yeah, it was quite a nice story for me to work on, and I was a producer of this story. And we actually went for a few festivals with this film, and we won on London Breeze Film Festival, and I think we won on Irish Film Festival. So I'm not sure the name of it, but I hope that's the right names I say. Yeah, that's the film I'm most proud of. And after I finished my bachelor degree, I wanted to work in film industry as a producer or social media manager. I really like those 2 jobs to be in, but however, the circumstances forced me to leave the UK because I felt like I couldn't be safe there anymore. So I decided to go to Dubai in order to try myself in different sphere. My family has a business here in Dubai in real estate, and my father introduced me to it because he wanted me to try something that will make me understand the world better, because the real estate is not just you sell and buy, it's also you understand all the economical part of the world, what's happening in the world, like the currency, everything in terms of economics and business. And I think it's really important to understand it nowadays, because you need to really find yourself in this world. And also don't make anyone fool you. And I think it's a good practice for me now in terms of my future, because in the future I really want to travel a lot, and I want to be able to afford it and also live a life where my needs will be covered well. So in the future, I really want to buy myself a house or apartment in every country in the world in order to go there and to do different activities like skiing or swimming or just working as well. I enjoy working as a broker because it gives me a lot of opportunities in terms of networking. You meet a lot of people, you communicate with so many different people from different countries, and that's what basically Dubai is. Also, another reason why I moved to Dubai is people's lifestyle. I have talked to a few people here that already live here for a little while, and they told me about how healthy this place is. I'm not sure if it makes sense, but everybody is really they're really looking after themselves. They go into gym, they eat healthy food and all this stuff. And it's not as expensive as where I was used to live. So that's what I also like about Dubai. It's always sunny. They have like a lot of different food and entertainment, if you can say that, and also a lot of physical activities. As for myself, physical activities are really important for me because I used to be a fencing champion, and I also did dance for a few years as well. So I was also in a team of dance. It was a frame up, and as soon as I left UK, I left my team there. And that's the sad part of leaving and moving out of your country. I think that you're leaving everybody's behind and you feel guilty for it. But what I think is it's your life, and I think you always can come back there. So it's important to make yourself happy.